Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another what's inside my bag video. I have not done one of these in a few months, maybe like 3 months or more, so I figured it was time for another one. And today I'm actually going to be showing you a much smaller bag than I typically go for. You guys know I usually go for the bigger bags, typically the never full, but I've been trying to kind of consolidate a little, which I'm going to show you, and it's been working for the last like couple weeks. But besides the point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what's inside my bag, then just keep watching. Typically in these videos, I usually have a big bag and I carry a lot of items. Most of us girls do, and it's just like a thing. Like, I always like to be prepared in case, you know, something happens. I've got it. I think I might get that from my mother. Sometimes it seems like my purse could almost be like a drugstore. I've got floss, I've got like Gas X, I've got Pepto, I've got, you know, Tums, I've got like tweezers, anything like you could think of, I have. So I've been trying to consolidate, and it's almost like a mental thing where I'm like, ugh, can I do it? But it's actually worked. This purse is great for it, so I'm going to share it with you. It's a little loud because of the chains, but this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, if I'm saying that correctly. And it's small, but it's like kind of, you know, thick a little bit, so I can fit a lot. And I love how it's got this pocket right here, this extra pocket that I can fit a little bit of items in as well. And it's nice that I can wear it like this, okay, and it's not constricting. I can also, you know, stretch the strap down, wear it crossbody or like this. So I really like this. Quickly, I'll just show you how it opens up like that. And then I've just got everything in there. I know it looks like a mess. My phone also goes in there too. I'm going to show you quickly that I can fit my phone in here, which is crazy because, you know, our smartphones are typically really big. My phone's in there and I can still shut it and it locks. So I'm fitting so much in here. I'm making it work. But yeah, if you guys are interested in an affordable version of this bag, look in the description down below. So first I'm going to start off with a small pocket right here. Now typically you guys know that I have that little kind of small makeup bag. I think it's like an old Ipsy bag, and I like to keep, you know, Tums, Gas X, Lactate for my husband. I keep like tampons, like a brush, anything like that that I could possibly need. And I never really ever open it, you guys, and it takes up a lot of room. So honestly, the only thing I really have from you know, that little like pouch that I put in this is a tampon, because that's like something, God forbid, I'm out and I get it. I've got one at least, so I have that. And then I have my 2 lip products, which typically I always save for the end when I do my what's in my bag videos. This product I want to share with you. I'm really excited about it. So this lip gloss is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and it is in the shade Sparkling Rosé. They have a few other shades. Now, for like the last year, I've been buying high-end lip glosses like the MAC, what is it, like the plumping, whatever the plumping gloss is by MAC. I have it, you know, in one of my drawers back there, but it's like $20-something. I love it. And then I also like the Buxom lip glosses as well, that are like with all the girls' names, that are like the tingling feeling, but again, they're over $20. So this one right here like converted me, and now I'm not going back to buying like $20+ lip glosses. This one is just as good. Again, it's a lip gloss, so it's not going to give you a lot of color, and you do have to keep reapplying it throughout the day. It's a lip gloss, but I love it, you guys, and I'm gonna put some on right now. It's cool because it has a little bit of like a cooling, tingling feeling, not as much as the Buxom lip glosses, but I love this. And this ranges like Amazon, I think it's like $5 or $7, and it's the same at Walmart. I don't know if Target sells it, Walmart does. It's like $5 or $7. You can't beat it. It's so beautiful, and it just makes your lips feel so nice. The drugstore's been killing it with products, and like, I don't know if there's going to be a day where I'm like fully converted to drugstore products, but it seems like, you know, I'm kind of going in that direction. So I did want to share this with you. This is what I currently have in my purse. And then for lipstick, when I just want a little bit more color, this is also a great combo. This is honestly what I have on right now. This is MAC Faux. I have Soar lip liner on, but I don't carry that usually in my purse. But I have MAC Faux. It's just a really nice, pretty, you know, neutrally pink shade. And then topped with this, it looks really beautiful. So if you're wondering what I have on my lips, that's it. So I have these 3 things kind of in that front compartment. So I've consolidated. And then next I want to get into my phone. So for the longest time, like, I thought about getting a phone case like this, but then I'm like, oh, you gotta keep like opening it up and closing it, opening it up and closing it, and opening it up and closing it. I was like, I can't do that. But as of, I think a month ago, maybe a little longer than a month ago, I'm like, you know what? I need to get this kind of case because I'm constantly throwing my phone in my purse. It's open like this, and even those screen protectors, after a while, they get all scratched up because it's floating around in my purse and it's getting scratched up. So I'm like, you know what? I got this. It was like, I think it was like $16 to $20 on Amazon, this case. I think I even might have shared, I don't know if I shared this actually in an Amazon haul. But this case is amazing, you guys. I love it. And I don't even have a screen protector on my phone, but I don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. To consolidate with this purse, instead of having my big bulky wallet, I've got my credit cards, my license, and then my health insurance card. If there's anything else that I would need, I'd obviously just like, you know, grab it. But typically like this is what I'm gonna need. So it's nice. I've got everything in here. And then if I have cash, which we don't have, cash can go in there. So it's really nice. You can use this as like a mini wallet, but also what's cool about this phone case is you can put it like that. If you want to watch something, it kind of converts it to a little stand, which is nice. And then lastly, which I didn't know because I would have gotten this case a long time ago, is half the time my phone is like this because this little kind of snap right here is a magnet and it keeps it snapped back like that. So if I know I'm going to be using my phone throughout the day if I'm home, I just kind of have it like that. So I'm not constantly going back and forth and back and forth. But I love this case, you guys. And again, that's a consolidation. You can have cash, your cards, and then I don't need that big bulky wallet. So it works for me. I'll link this case down below. They have, I don't know how many colors they had. They had a bunch of different colors though. Next, probably the second biggest thing in here, it's crazy that it fits in here, and I could probably consolidate more if I wanted to, is my Orbitz Bubble Mint Gum. I was thinking about just getting like a Ziploc bag and putting just a bunch in because then I wouldn't have this big little, you know, tub in there, but it does fit in there, you guys, and you guys know I love this gum. I have to have it at all times. So yeah, that fits in there, which is crazy. And then randomly in here, in like the back little pocket right there, there is a pocket there. I have some scratch off tickets that I need to take into a gas station to redeem. I have a loose change, and if you're not from New York State, then these aren't going to sound familiar because I believe every state has their own scratch off like games, they're called. But loose change, I won $2, you guys, doing big things. And then this is called the $25,000 cash bonus. I won another what was it? Where is it? $2. So we have $4 here doing big things. When it comes to these scratch offs, you guys, I think the most in my life I've ever won is $40. Like, it's not for me. I'm not a lucky person. Some people are just super lucky. Definitely not me. Next, we have my keys, and I actually, because if you've watched any of my previous What's in My Bag videos, I went through my keychain. I had so many more keys on here. I had keys to places I didn't even know where they opened. They didn't open my house door. I can't even find my front door key, but the keys that I had on that were just not, like, I don't know what they were to. So I basically, you guys know I have my little Coda here, keychain, and then I have our, you know, our SUV that we share, my car, and then this is like to the mailbox, and then I think that's to my parents' house. And then this, I think, is to our safe. I'm not really sure, but I have 3 keys. I've definitely converted it. There were so many more before, so it's definitely more minimal. And then I have a hand sanitizer because we need hand sanitizer in purses. I'm always like putting this on. So I have afternoon apple picking, which is perfect for this time of year. It smells really nice. And I believe they have, Bath & Body Works has this hand soap as well. It's really nice. So I have that, and it's like crazy though. Like, I'm fitting all of this in this purse. I know it's like loud, please excuse me with the chains. And then honestly, you guys, like, we're coming to an end with this bag, which is crazy. Again, very minimal, but I have my earbuds, and I like to keep these in here. God forbid I'm somewhere and I'm waiting for a really long time. I can pop these in and kind of like watch something or like listen to a book on my phone. I've mentioned these a million times. I don't know if they still sell this brand, but I will link a similar one. But I got these for like $20. They can go anywhere for like $20 to $30. And I've had these for 2 years and have had no issues. They serve as a Bluetooth as well. I use them all the time. Like every day I pretty much use them. And this serves as a charging port, and then after a while you just have to obviously charge the charging port. But I love these. So, and these are from Amazon as well. So I'll link these or similar ones down below. But these haven't, you know, they haven't broken yet, or they haven't like died or just stopped working, because I've purchased other ones in the past that do, but these are still kicking and they're like $20. They work. There's no need to spend over $100. And again, this serves as a Bluetooth as well, so you can talk on the phone. And what's nice is that you can use only one. Half the time I only have one earbud in. You don't have to have both, because my husband, he ended up returning them, but he bought, I think, the Bose Bluetooth earbuds, and you have to have both in at the same time, which is like, I don't know. So yeah, you can have one in and they still work. But yeah, so I have these in there, and yeah, I mean, I think that's like pretty much it, you guys. Very minimalistic. It's not as heavy. Again, if I know I'm going somewhere and there's not something like an everyday thing that I'm gonna need, I'll grab it. You know, I have my wallet, I think, in my closet now with everything else in it, but I'm just trying to be a little bit more minimalistic, so it's been working. I wanted to share it with you. Again, if you're interested in the bag, look in the description down below. But anyways, let me know in the comments, what kind of bag are you using right now? Is it small, minimal, or is it big and you just like to throw everything, excuse me, in it? Like, that's totally me still. I'm kind of getting the urge to go back to that. Is your purse super organized, or is it just a hot mess? I'm usually both, you guys. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.